Dear friends, welcome to my channel Ultimate Randomizer with Golden R.
National Nougat Day is the perfect occasion to try your hand at making this classic sweet treat. Nougat is a confectionery made from sugar, honey, nuts, and egg whites. The ingredients are heated together until the mixture becomes thick and glossy, then poured into a tray and left to cool and set. The result is a chewy, nutty, and sweet candy that is perfect for snacking on or gifting to friends and family. While traditional nougat can be challenging to make, there are many variations and flavors that you can try, such as chocolate, almond, or even cranberry. So why not celebrate National Nougat Day by whipping up a batch of this delicious candy and indulging in its mouth-watering goodness? Thank you for considering my short video and providing me with your assistance. Your help is greatly appreciated.